Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, I'm coming to you guys again because I have a couple of videos with like 53 views. No likes, no comments, and probably you haven't subscribed. I don't want to get on here and beg y'all to subscribe to the channel, but eventually this is gonna be my way of supporting and taking care of me and my grandbaby. Can y'all please like, which is the thumbs up, or dislike, which is thumbs down, the videos? Please. This is the only way I'm going to get my algorithm out to YouTube to get my channel monetized. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. Comment. Do whatever. I haven't even put my Cash App up here, nothing. I'm not asking nobody for anything. The only thing I'm asking you to do, if you're going to watch the videos, come on up out the bushes. Subscribe to the channel. And thumbs up, like the videos, or thumbs down, don't like them. Either way it go, it will get the algorithm of the channel out there. Like I said, eventually, this is going to be the way of taking care of me and my grandbaby. No Cash App, not asking y'all for a dime. I want YouTube to pay me. So please, when I post, please. I didn't want to get on here and beg y'all to do this, but it's a lot of y'all that's in the bushes. Y'all just watching. You're not commenting. You're not responding. You know, a couple of occasions come up. Support the channel. Please, y'all, support the channel. I'm not asking for nothing from nobody. Just support the channel. And the way you support is you comment, you like, subscribe, and you'll subscribe, and you'll share the video. Come on, family. Come on, GPs. I'd appreciate it. I really would. Thank you. I'm finna go in here and get me some balloons for later. The GOAT, God of all things. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be thankful. Be a better you. And love through the pain. Thank you. See you guys soon.